Hello, welcome to Camperversions. Today I'm going to give you this walk around video on this 2022 T6.1 transporter. This is a Highline T6.1 in Ascot Grey. Highline spec being air conditioning, cruise control, rear sensors, front sensors, Apple CarPlay, front fog lights as well, heated front windscreen. And the conversion has been built to our Pioneer Prestige spec, which is the highest spec that we offer. We've got the rib bed in leather, Starry Night Ceiling, front seats in leather as well, the Eberspacher heater, the slide and store table storage, which is in the door pocket. So it's exceptionally high spec. This is tailgate model. Customers added on the factory bike rack. We've also got the Reimo Awning Rail on this as well to allow you to fit a driveway awning. It's in extremely good condition. Mileage on this is 25,000. It's also got the Factory Sat Nav in this. This is a DSG Auto 150. Solar panel on the roof. And all the exterior styling as well. Thanks very much for watching.